Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Superman on Dress to Impress. Super simple stuff. I did use some VIP items as well. Let's get started with the hair. For the hair, I used this in black and this also in black. Select this hair and only bangs in black. Position the X at 0.49, Y 0.64, Z 0.46. Rotate the Y to 0.54 and scale it to 0.33. For the outfit, we're going to get this turtleneck here. Color it this blue, 2A7CAD in matte for both. Wait, this one. And then for the outfit, we are going to use some VIP items. We're going to use this in that same color in matte. Then we're going to go to the spring collection. We're going to grab this one. Oh, that was the spring collection, sorry. This one in this color. It's going to make it a little bit lighter. And in this red, I'm just going to, again, make this a little bit lighter to match the Superman colors. Then I am going to add a skirt. Just hear me out all right. In that red, I think I might go with like a light silk to add texture. Then I'm also going to grab these like robots in that same blue color in matte. Like so. Then I'm also going to get these in no feet toggle in that same blue color. Grab these boots and color it this red in matte. It's 9A114, by the way. And then I'm also going to get this belt. Color it this yellow first, FFBE21. I think I'll go with silk. And then on the fifth toggle, color it the same yellow again. Then you're going to toggle it to the second one once you're done with that. Lastly, I am just going to grab this cape in the only cape light air in red, and I think I'm going to add a light silk. I think I'll add silk to it actually. Let's go back to the boots, and I think I'm going to add light silk to it instead of just matte. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.